Papa.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm okay. So these kids think it's funny to be loud. Okay. So basically, we're just doing a war. It's a BBC. So yeah. Okay. Let me do the teams now. Everyone sit back down on the couch. If you're good. Okay, if you're good, then you can be team captain. Wait, who wants to be on my team?
Me.
Wait, who's that kid that said, I want to be on it?
Me.
Okay,
I did.
Okay, you're green. Wait, since you're not raising your hand, you're team captain. Come.
Wait, no, I was gone for a second.
Oh, okay. Then, who wants to be team captain?
Wait, me. No, I'm not raising my hand. Me.
You.
Me.
Okay, fine, you. Okay,
You have to
so I pick first. I pick first.
Is that for?
You.
Yeah.
No, not you. Him. No, you.
You're the best.
Yeah.
You're the best one. You're the best one, Red.
Now I gotta pick again. Who should I pick? Wait, did you complete that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was green.
I don't know.
We both complete that.
Wait, you tell me.
He did.
What?
He did.
This guy?
Yeah.
Okay, you.
Bruh, I knew it. I heard y'all. You said you're coming to us. You're coming to us.
Okay. The only rule is there's no rocket launchers, okay? That's the only rule. No rocket launchers.
How about ammo? Like revolvers. No rocket launchers.
Yeah, you're allowed to use revolvers, but I'll tell y'all when you're allowed to use rocket launchers, okay? So my team changed their color to red. My team. My team changed their color to red.
My team turned into blue.
I only have 2 kids on my team.
Wait, blue? Yeah. Oh, wait, blue.
You guys messed up my video. I'm just joking.
Can this work?
Wait, let me see. Yeah, okay, you guys come. My team come.
Wow.
Okay, guys. So our base.
Yeah, buy some ammo.
You guys go there. Blue, go out. Get it. Who are you? Hey, Black, can you leave real quick, please?
I think he's my friend.
Please.
Are you my friend?
Just wait. We don't need him. Okay. Let me go offline.
I'm gonna look for a weapon.
Okay.
Offline too.
Where's the other blue? Blue. No, not. I mean red. Reds.
Yeah.
Reds, come.
I'm getting it. Nice. I got a weapon.
Buy some ammo.
I need a weapon.
I can give you a lot of those. Okay. So
can someone give me a weapon?
Thank you, bro.
That water tower out there. The water tower. Okay, that's our base. Okay. Okay. So take this.
We're done.
And wait for me. Wait. Okay. Take this and go up there. Goody, one bounty, la honey, no.
Okay, up there. Our base is up there.
I'll see you guys up there.
Same. I'm gonna get rocket.
I'm gonna change my mind. Get rocket.
I don't have money.
Here, come. Let me give you.
Thanks. Hold on, let me get a backpack. Really quick.
Guys.
Hello.
Okay, guys, go up here.
We're gonna get caught, guys. Sorry, we don't know, but we can't get caught.
Did it start?
Okay, it starts in 3, 2, 1. We can start fighting now. So y'all go to your places, guys. They're right there. Do you guys see them?
We're starting right
Guys,
here.
I got a bag filled of ammo.
I think
Okay.
one of them sees us.
Attack people now.
Okay, guys, change your channel to channel 5. Okay.
Dude, I don't know how to change channels.
Do you like to change your channel?
No, I don't.
Okay,
I
so
don't
what? Do this, okay? And then do you see the joystick that's right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, press that down when you're doing this. Press that down. And do you see how it says channel?
Yeah.
Like right? Yeah. So it should be changing your channel to 5. Channel 5.
Dude, can you? Which place?
It's not doing it.
Okay,
What
just
place?
keep your channel at channel 1. Or channel 0.
It won't
Channel
work.
0. Channel 0.
How do we do
It's fine.
it?
It's fine. It's fine.
On my
Okay, guys.
I don't get it.
Guys, I see it there. I see them. I see them. I see them. They're coming. Oh, wait, guys, stay here. I'm gonna come. I'm gonna go.
I'm going back. Go back. Go back. I'll be going to base. I'm gonna go to the base, okay, guys?
I know where they're at. I know where they're at. I got you.
I'm going.
Where?
I'm not going to the base anymore. Oh,
Red, come.
they're coming. They're coming.
Wait, they're going. They're going to our base. Come on, quickly.
We don't see. I see them right there. They're right there.
What did you just say?
Up here. There.
Hurry up, guys.
No. Guys, as you guys can see, I just died. So yeah. Oh, wait.
Hurry up.
I don't have the rest stuff.
Any last word, Red? Break up, you just got
I'm coming back. Hey, can you leave? Can you leave real quick?
20, vision. Keep it in me, keep it in me.
And Big Diddy here, come back to me now. And look behind you now.
Look behind you just for a while.
I'm sorry.
And die with a frown.
But we have to kill that in the world.
That is one red right there. You know that, right?
Come.
Oh, nice!
I don't know. Wait, there's one in the base. Sorry. Guys, come out to the lobby. He's right here. The red team right here.
Up here! Up here! Up there!
Here, take this red.
We're watching that.
I might get jumped, guys. I need help.
Okay, I'm dudes.
Guys, hurry up.
Where, monkey?
They're coming.
You wanna pew me? I'll pew you. I repeat, people.
I got shot.
I repeat.
I got shot.
Okay, we're coming. We're coming. Where are you guys?
I repeat.
I'm gonna pew you.
Shoo.
That's what you get from saying you.
Who just used a rocket launcher?
That was shitty.
He cheated.
Where did he? I got him, boys. He cheated. I killed him. That's what you get.
What do you mean that's what you get? You know, I'm better rocket launcher
What is
you
the
again
red-
if that's the case. Yeah.
Guys, they're coming. Red, get up.
I just took his
They're
gun.
back. They're back.
Red, get up.
I'm coming.
Go up to our base. I repeat. Go to base. I repeat.
Yeah, go.
I know how to go first. Look back.
Nah, since you wanna kill me, nah, I'm about to RPG y'all.
I
when you
repeat,
get
They
out.
call me.
near our base. Go to our base. I repeat, blue team, go to our base. I'm at my base. To our base. This is the. I'm at base. I repeat, rocket. I repeat, blue team, go to our base. No, don't go to the base.
I'm coming.
Blue, right now, go to our base. I repeat, go to our base. Red, get to our base.
Red. I'm right here.
No,
Do you
no,
copy?
Red.
Red,
Yeah.
I copy. I report. Get to our base.
Get
What
behind!
team
They're
are
gonna
you?
spawn us!
Are you red or you blue?